Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can create a YouTube channel on YouTube. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome. So I'm going to click on this, and now let's select the profile. And after that, we have to write the YouTube here. So let's write the YouTube, and now we have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, it's done. So simply what we have to do, we have to click on the profile section, and after clicking on the profile section, we have to scroll this down, and now we have to click on the setting. And after clicking on the setting, as you can see, let's scroll this down. As you can see, the here I have created already one channel. So if you want to create a more channel, you can also do that. If you want to see channel status and feature, then you have to click on this. Or if you want to see your advanced setting, you can also do that. And here is the option for the create new channel. You have to click on this. So let's click on this. And now what we need to do, we have to write the channel name here. And now we have to accept this. If you want to read this, you can also do that. And you have to read this description as well. You can use your brand's name or another name. A good channel name represents you and your content. You can change your channel name at any time. So this is the basically description. And after writing the name, as you can see, I'm going to write like Smart, and you have to accept this. And then simply you have to hit the create button, and the channel will be automatically created. So I don't want to create the channel. I have already the one. So in this way, you can create a channel on YouTube. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a YouTube channel on YouTube. So see you guys in the next video.